Today we will learn how to undo applications that you have given access to your email address. Open a browser of your mobile. Type google.com.
Log in and select your Gmail account.
Click Manage your Google account. Click Security. Then scroll down. Find out the option of Third-party apps with account access. Click Manage Third-party access. Here you can see all the apps that you have given access to your Gmail account. Now click on the access that you want to remove. Then click Remove Access. Click OK. Done. The access has been removed. Similarly, you can remove all other access that you want to remove. Thanks for watching the full video. Goodbye.